If you're someone who likes to host, maybe you have a small business where you provide beverages, this is a great set of beverage dispensers. They're each 1 gallon. They have these great sleeves in here to add fruit or vegetables to make like an infused beverage. So whether that's water or some other cocktail or drink, really great design. Super easy to use. As you see here, I've got some lemon water. I'll give you a close-up look of that. But I just want to demonstrate how you put these together. So you're going to get the container. It's going to be like this. And the stand is fully assembled. But then you're going to get, you're actually going to get 3 bags of these. I do love that they include a spare. So what you're going to do, let me give you a close-up and I'll show you how to put this on. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to stick the spigot through here like that. And you're going to take the little nut here and you're going to want this side on the basically closer to you, because then you're going to use this little tool here to tighten this. And this is all included. So I'm going to go ahead and put that there. All right, so I'm going to hand tighten, and then I'm going to take the tool, and I'm going to hold this so that this remains straight. And then I'm going to tighten this, not too tight though, just a nice hand tight. And there we've got the spigot in. So go ahead and put that there. You can use these with or without the infusers. All right, now let me just show you how it works. I love that they included these little signs and the chalkboard marker that also has an eraser. So you actually have one of these for each container, and you also have a long stir spoon that does reach all the way to the bottom of the container. But let me just go ahead and show you how this works. Just like that. Leak-free, nothing's leaking anywhere. Really fantastic dispenser bottles. I highly recommend them.